buttons your gun, tap way to fire away. Circle lights up, that will be your missile launcher. When it lights up, press it, have some fun, blast some things open. Hi engineers, are you sure going to be fixing the ship? Maybe harpooning some things? Press your flashing buttons, but pay close attention to tasks you may want to complete. Yeah. You got this, right? You're not going to crash the ship, are you? You got it. You two are going to pull this. All the way down, guys. Safe travels. Flight crew sign King, I need pilots up there, the engineers with that.
You're back. You're braver than I thought. Some Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture the bounties, and engineers, you steal their crates. Now get the move on, and know that I have complete faith in you.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Once again, our bags and backpacks on the floor. Seatbelts go outside in. Make sure buckle up, please. Buckle up. Pilots, turn on the outside. Mind the gunner, turn on the outside. My engineer, turn on the outside. Mind the engineer. Press the flashing button.
Okay, my friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your traction beam. Nice work on the tractor beam. Gunners, take out those scouts. Nice shot, gunners. Get on practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while you think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. New plan. Catch 1 bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. Don't lose sight of them. Need to know where they're headed. Right engineer, launch the homing beacons. Good work. They can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left engineer, pick our destination. Fast. Bespin it is. Crew, buckle up. Make the jump to light speed. We're heading for Cloud City. Stay on his tail. I
And some for you too, of course, Sonny.
Grogu and I will hand over the bounty to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
Yeah, I guess Left Engineer gets to choose. So, yeah, I get a little bit spoiled, but didn't watch a full POV, so...
R5, damage report. Engine failure, alright. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well.
Always go to Tatooine.
Alright, I am making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.